Hi everybody, it's Tim at Engine Factory. Just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford 425 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1965 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we have the 347 Ford, power forged pistons in there, roller lifter camshaft, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, brand new balancer, high flow fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the loop clamps, gas filter, oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup, brass freeze plugs, proper oil pan for the 65 Mustang, front sump oil pan, engine block painted the Ford blue, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, blue ignition wires, all the wire markers are on there, all the vertical wire looms on there, Ford Racing valve covers with a matching air cleaner, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set, quick fuel carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, manifold vacuum fittings hooked up for easy hookups for vacuum, proper tooth count and balance for the 347 Ford and the customer's transmission, PCV valve in there, ventilation Russell heavy duty line on there, oil stick and tube, proper thermostat housing for the 65 Mustang, thermostats installed, bypass hoses in there, 140 amp one wire hookup alternator, heavy duty 8 rib serpentine belt. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes at the engine factory. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot, timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted, complete drop-in, ready to go. So again, that's our 347 Ford 425 horsepower roller cam engine ready to go. Thanks for watching.